In this video, I will show you how to get premium on Sweatcoin. In order to do that, what we can do is you can click onto their profile icon right here in the upper left corner. Then once you have done that, you can just scroll down and then in here you can see your plan. So as you can see, I have the free plan. Click on change right here. And in here you can see the subscriptions. We have in here the premium for yearly as well as the premium for monthly. So what you can do is you can just choose in here the plan that you want if you want to pay for the whole year or just pay for this month. Just choose in here which one you want. Then after that, you can see in here the actual benefits of subscribing with their premium plan. And then once you're done, just scroll down and click on this start 1 week trial for free. If you have already purchased it, you can click on this register purchase option right there. Then once you have clicked onto this 1 week trial, it will open in here this one. Just click on the subscribe button.